What makes sweet corn so valuable is not just its taste, but the extreme pressure of time behind its harvest. In many cases, an entire crop worth hundreds of thousands of dollars must be collected within just 72 hours, creating a relentless race against nature where every passing moment determines profit or loss. Sweet corn stands as one of the most important agricultural products in large-scale farming systems, produced in massive quantities each year and distributed across both domestic and international markets. During the peak summer season, major farming regions become central supply zones, supported by ideal growing conditions such as warm temperatures, balanced rainfall, and landscapes that allow efficient, large-scale cultivation. Despite its scale, harvesting sweet corn remains a highly labor-intensive process. Traditionally, each ear must be picked by hand to preserve its freshness, appearance, and quality. This demands significant manpower and speed, especially during peak season when time becomes the most critical factor. Farmers often work under intense pressure, racing against heat and short harvest windows to ensure nothing is lost. However, due to increasing labor shortages and the urgent need for efficiency, many large farms have shifted toward modern harvesting systems. Advanced machines now play a major role in the process, designed to operate with speed, precision, and consistency, while maintaining the quality of each ear of corn. One of the most advanced solutions in this field is a specialized harvesting machine built specifically for sweet corn production. It uses carefully engineered components, such as soft handling rollers, precision cutting systems, and automated collection conveyors to minimize damage while maximizing output. With the ability to process large volumes per hour, it dramatically reduces harvest time and ensures that the corn retains its freshness and quality for both fresh markets and further processing. Through this transformation, sweet corn harvesting has evolved from a purely manual struggle against time into a highly optimized system where technology, efficiency, and agriculture work together to preserve value at every stage. Time governs everything in agriculture. It moves quietly, but in harvest season, it becomes the most powerful force of all. Lives depend on it, profits depend on it, and entire harvests can be lost if it is not respected. In the middle of this urgency, sweet corn becomes part of a race where every hour matters and every decision can change the outcome. Across vast farming regions, sweet corn is produced on a massive scale, supplying both local markets and international demand. During peak seasons, ideal weather conditions allow large fields to flourish, supported by efficient farming landscapes that make large-scale production possible. But despite its size and importance, harvesting remains a race against time. Traditionally, workers must pick each ear carefully by hand to preserve its freshness and quality. This process demands speed, coordination, and endurance, especially when conditions are intense and the harvest window is extremely short. As pressure increases, modern agriculture shifts toward advanced harvesting systems designed for speed and efficiency. Large-scale machines now handle multiple rows at once, collecting corn with precision while reducing physical strain on workers. These machines are built for continuous operation, making them essential during high-demand harvest periods where every hour directly impacts value and yield. Once harvested, the corn is immediately moved into a controlled supply chain. It is transported in cooled conditions to preserve its natural sweetness and prevent quality loss during transit. Within a short time, it reaches processing facilities where a carefully designed system begins. At the plant, the corn is sorted, cleaned with cold water, and processed to maintain its color, texture, and natural flavor. Only the best quality produce moves forward, while any damaged portions are removed to ensure consistency. From there, the corn enters advanced packaging systems or is processed further for long-term preservation. In some cases, kernels are separated, gently blanched to lock in freshness, and rapidly cooled to maintain their natural crunch and appearance. They are then packed with protective liquids and sealed using high-speed automated systems that ensure safety and efficiency at scale. Finally, the finished products are cooled, packed, and prepared for global distribution. From fresh produce to preserved goods, sweet corn becomes part of everyday meals across the world, appearing in a wide range of cuisines and dishes that highlight its natural flavor. From vast fields to global tables, sweet corn completes a journey shaped by time, technology, and human effort, turning a simple crop into a worldwide staple. Thank you for joining me on Metrixor. I'll see you again in the next video.